What's up, you goofy goobers? Today we're gonna be playing cheese rolling. I don't know how bad this game is, but we're gonna play it. So let's get started. We're going online first. We're going online real quick. No, we're not. No, actually, we're gonna start offline. Oh, shoot. Oh, what do I do? Oh! Oh, I got it! So that's the game. All we do is get cheese. Oh, shoot, I was late. Oh, ooh, get the cheese! No! Come on, I ain't losing this time. I'm holding on to one of y'all. Come here. Hold on. Oh, give me the cheese. Give me the cheese! No! Give me the freaking cheese! No! Are we on the moon? Okay, give me the cheese. Give me the cheese, nigga. I got the cheese! No! Give me the cheese! What is it? What is it? I quit, bro. I like diamonds. I like bills. I like farting them, but I hate this game. Ooh. Oh yeah, we in the graveyard. My rest in peace, my grandma. She got hit by a bazooka. That's her grave right there. Okay, Walter. What the? Well, lava. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Come on, I'm getting the. What the fuck is the cheese? Give me the cheese. Give me it. Oh, I got the cheese. What the hell was that? That big damn thing. Oh, come on, I'm getting it. Come on, give me the cheese. Oh, I got it. Let's go. I got the cheese. Come here, Walter. I got you now. Come here. Oh. Aethra. Come on. Break the graves. Oh, yeah, I got that. Come on. Give me the cheese. Give me the fucking cheese. I got it. No, give me it. Yes. Go. Why is this game so addicting? Oh, I tripped. Oh, is this how actual cheese rolling is? Give me the cheese. Give me the cheese. Give me the cheese. No, Philippa. All right, we gonna try to go to a public. We gonna wait for them to start it. Can you start it, please? Oh, we in. Are they talking? Shit. Oh, give me the cheese. Oh, I got it. Got the cheese. Let's go. Stop grabbing me. Come on. No. Ice cheese. No. Hold on. Let me mute. I want the cheese. Oh, ooh. No, I quit. Inside out and rounded. Come on. Nothing don't stop me from getting that cheese. Oh. The host abandoned the lobby. Guess we're going back to offline. Oh, I think that people could hear me. Oh, ooh, Simon. Ooh. Wait, I want to hold on to this big giant ball. Ooh, no, come here, big giant ball. Oh yeah, I definitely got cooked. Did I though? Come here. Give me the cheese. Oh, Simon won again. Curse you, Simon. Come here, Simon. You're coming with me. Ah, no, Simon. Simon. Yeah. Oh. That cheese is mine. Come here, Ralph. Oh, thank you for breaking all the grapes. Oh, I got it. I got the cheese. Give me the cheese. Simon, no. Why is Simon so good? We got the same outfit on. We is not the same, though. Oh. Wait, stop. Ralph, what the Okay, Ralph. Is that how you want to play it? Come here, Ralph. Where are you at? Come here. Oh, what game should I play next? I don't even know. Oh, yeah, I got that. Come on. Don't play with me. We're on the move now. Whee! Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. That'll stop me. That'll stop me. Yeah! Yeah, Simon. Give me that. Oh. Come here, Simon. Yeah, you ain't going nowhere. Oh, yes he is. Oh. Why are they rolling much faster than me? Oh, I had it. Oh, I just killed Simon. Get the freaking cheese. Get the cheese. Simon, no. Why is Simon so good? Is this cheese rolling slow as hell? Lawrence, who are you? I need to get in the back for this one. I'm not even gonna jump. Oh, I had to. Oh. No, Ralph. Bro. Oh yeah, we on the moon now. Ain't nobody stopping me. Oh, how do people do this, bro? This is like a real life thing. Oh yeah, come. I got that cheese. Yeah, Simon. No, Ralph. Ooh. When I came down, get the cheese. What are you? Yes, I got the cheese. Let go. Whoever gets to 10 first, that's when I end the video. Come on, give me the cheese. 64. Yes, Simon, you're a bum. Oh, that hurt. So that cooked me. No, what are these names? Oh. Come here, give me the cheese. Let's go. Where's the cheese going? Oh, give me the cheese. Give me the cheese. This is my cheese. Oh. Ooh. I'm sorry. Yes, I got the cheese again. Nobody taking this from me. Oh yeah, I can get 8. I can just get 2 more wins and end the video. Oh. Matilda. Who is this? You have 1 score. The cheese could roll in the lava, so. There's no blood in this game? I wish there was. Ah! Cuthbert. I'm gonna choke this lead away to Simon, bro. Holy Jaduki! Grab it! Oh my! That was insane. Okay, one more win. Come on. Oh. Come on, one more win. Yes, go! That's a round. Let's go. I just got an achievement. What's that achievement? I don't even care. Well, guys, that's the video. I hope you liked it. That was like 9 minutes. That's alright, because I can get this 10 minutes on the dot. You already know me coming in this house. I'm not Corey.